Writing a research paper involves several key steps to ensure a well-structured, coherent, and informative document. Here's a guide on how to write a research paper. Choose a topic. Select a topic that interests you and is relevant to your field of study. Narrow down the topic to make it manageable and focused. Conduct research. Gather information and sources related to your topic. Use academic journals, books, reputable websites, and other resources to gather data and support your arguments. Develop a thesis statement. Craft a clear and concise thesis statement that outlines the main argument or hypothesis of your research paper. The thesis statement guides the direction of your paper and should be supported by evidence throughout. Create an outline. Organize your ideas and research findings into an outline. Include sections such as introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. The outline helps you structure your paper logically. Write the introduction. Provide background information on the topic. State the purpose of your research and the significance of the study. Present your thesis statement or research question. Write the literature review. Summarize existing research and literature relevant to your topic. Analyze and critique previous studies, identifying gaps or areas for further investigation. Provide context for your research and demonstrate its importance. Describe the methodology. Explain the research methods and techniques used in your study. Describe the sample size, data collection methods, and any instruments or tools used. Discuss how you analyze the data and any limitations of your methodology. Present the results. Report your findings clearly and objectively. Use tables, graphs, or charts to present data effectively. Interpret the results and discuss their implications. Discuss the findings. Analyze and interpret the results in relation to your thesis or research question. Discuss any unexpected findings or limitations of the study. Compare your results with previous research and theories. Write the conclusion. Summarize the key findings and contributions of your research. Restate your thesis statement and its significance. Discuss the implications of your research and suggest areas for future study. Cite sources. Use proper citations and references according to the required citation style, example APA, MLA, Chicago. Acknowledge sources of information and ideas to avoid plagiarism. Revise and edit. Review your research paper for clarity, coherence, and accuracy. Check for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Make revisions as needed to improve the quality of your paper. By following these steps and paying attention to detail, you can create a well-written and impactful research paper that contributes to the academic discourse in your field.